am Quan Yin. Welcome. Welcome to the circle this evening. Welcome the light into your world and welcome your heart into the world. I am Quan Yin. Breathing in, I am Quan Yin. Deeply, deeply breathing in, I am Quan Yin. Welcome to the garden. And draw the breath into your body deeply, deeply. Remember the power of the flowers. Close your eyes now. And gently breathe with an awareness. With a sharp awareness of your own body and what it's feeling right now. Many of you are feeling dehydrated. Breathe into your body. You are needing water. It's especially important to drink water during or after this channeling, for you are connecting with high vibrations, and many of you are forgetting to drink enough water at this time. It's important. Many of you are feeling tired, and some crankiness and aches and pains in the neck and the shoulder, the lower back, and breathe into the body. Bring the waters of forgiveness and love and kindness to yourself. I am Quan Yin. Awareness. By being aware and nurturing and nourishing yourself with loving kindness, by refreshing yourself, by regenerating yourself with your breath, with some time out, you can go back into the world as a power, as a vibratory power. This power is different than the worldly power. This power exists, the power of nature, the power of the changing of seasons, the power of the pull of the moon, the gravitational force that pulls the oceans. This power is very different from worldly power, and it's important that you understand your own personal power at this time. Yes, you know who I am speaking to. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Look now at what you feel is powerful and has power over you, and take a moment to imagine yourself in a field, palms open again, feeling the energy of the garden in Quan Yin. And now, that thing that you feel has power over you, perhaps it is age, fearing the end of your life. Perhaps it is a disease that your body is holding. Perhaps it is another person. Perhaps it is someone in government. Perhaps it is your bank account or lack thereof. Perhaps it is tanks and guns. Perhaps it is the unpredictability of people who are unconscious, unaware, and being very, very affected by the energies without knowing what they are. Perhaps it is the power of nature, an earthquake, a tsunami, the stars falling out of the sky, and keeping the palms open. Let yourself see it and soften your body as you watch it. Let yourself see it in your mind's eye and soften your body as you breathe and stay aware. Let yourself see it, the end, the thing you fear. Let yourself see it and breathe into it. And now imagine a dandelion spore gathered together around the stem, and on your outward breath, begin to blow away that image. Begin to blow away that thing that held you in thrall. Begin to blow away that thing that held you rigid. Soften your body. Check it. Has it gotten rigid again? Relax your ankles. Relax your knees. Relax your wrists and your ears. Relax your spinal cord. I am Quan Yin.